Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 12.3 area related to circle from question number 3. So in this question it has been said find the area of the shaded region if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD and DPC are two semicircle. The figure is given along side. Okay. So here ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. Okay. This is also 14 centimeter. All side of 14 centimeter. Okay, and we have two semicircle from the side AD and BC. Okay, and this area is shaded. So we have to ask the area of the shaded region. Okay, so we know in square all side are equal, so therefore AB, BC, AD and are equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, so here area, this shaded area is calculated by the area square ABCD minus area two semicircle with diameter 14 centimeter. So here AD is the diameter of the semicircle, so its half become radius. So we have to given side of square equal to 14 centimeter and radius small r become 14 by 2 centimeter equal to 7 centimeter. So the required shaded region is calculated by area of shaded region equal to area of square ABCD equal to area of square ABCD minus 2 into area of semicircle with diameter 14 centimeter. Okay, area of semicircle area of semicircle with diameter 14 centimeter. Okay, so we know how to find the area of square. So this is side square minus 2 into area of semicircle. So area of semicircle would be find out 1 by 2 pi r square. So here we cancel 2 from numerator and denominator. So remaining we are left side. So side is 14. So this is 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter minus pi is 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 7 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter. Here we can cancel 7 from numerator and denominator. Now taking product of 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. So we will get the product of 196 centimeter square minus, and the product of 22 into 7. So the product of 22 into 7 gives us 154 centimeter square. 7 to the 14, 14 will carry 15. Now simplify 96 minus 54. So we will get, this is 2 and 4, 42 centimeter square. Okay, 42 centimeter square. So this is the required area of the shaded region. Okay, shaded region bounded by two semicircle in a square. Okay, so this is the required answer. Okay student, now move to the question number 4. So in this question it has been said that find the area of the shaded region where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter have been drawn with the vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter. Okay, so the figure is given along side. Here O is the vertex. Okay, or we can say O is the center of the circle, and from this center O equilateral triangle OABC drawn. Then we have to ask find the area of the shaded region. Okay, whose radius is given 6 centimeter. Okay, so by observing this figure, one thing is clear: the area is shaded area of the region is calculated by the area of equilateral triangle OAB plus area of the sector. Okay, area of the, this is major sector, area of the major sector. This is minor sector, and this area is minor and this is major. Okay, so we have to require central angle. So we know in equilateral triangle all angles being 60 degree. So this is 60. So the central angle of major sector become 300. Okay, so we have to given side of an equilateral triangle equal to 12 centimeter and central angle theta of major sector. Okay, this is given 360 minus 60 equal to 300 degree and radius equal to 6 centimeter. So area of the shaded region, area of the shaded region is calculated by the area of equilateral triangle plus area of major sector, calculated by area of equilateral triangle OAB plus area of we have major sector. This is the major sector. So we know the formula how to find the area of equilateral triangle. This is would be equal to root 3/4 into side square plus and area major sector. This is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now we are substituting the value of size theta and radius. So here this is root 3/4 into side equilateral triangle is given to us. This is 12 centimeter. So this is 12 into 12 plus theta is 300 upon 360 into pi. Value pi is 22/7. Use 22/7 and radius is 6 into 6 centimeter square. Okay, so here we can cancel 12 112/4 4 3 is 12. So now multiply 12/3 36. So this is 36 root 3 plus and here we can cancel 0 0 1 0 from numerator and denominator. Okay, and this is 6 6 36 and 6 6 36. Now multiply 30 into 22. So we will get over here 3 2 6 3 2 6 by 7 centimeter square. Okay, 36 root 3 plus 660 by 7 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the required shaded region of this figure. Okay, 36 root 3 plus 660 by 7 whole centimeter square. Okay, so this is the required solution of question number